Mastering Bookkeeping with Basic Business Bookkeeping Bar Chart.
Cha-ching!
Discover Basic Business Bookkeeping, your financial reporting transforming bookkeeping into a symphony of efficiency and knowledge. Automated Calculations. Enjoy precision and speed, leaving manual calculations behind. Experience the magic of automation in a simple Excel sheet. User-friendly interface, designed for beginners, navigate the financial universe with ease on an intuitive platform. Customizable tabs, tailor your financial structure with effortlessly customizable tabs, composing your unique business symphony. Customizable settings to be able to categorize your sales and costs to enable you to track which product or categories of income is doing well and not so well. Flexible time frames, monitor any 12 months, offering a flexible view of your business's financial past, present, and you can set up the future. You will have yearly overview to see how you are doing against plans. Reusable resource, a sustainable tool for your financial narrative, allowing repeated use for ongoing success. This is a lifetime use, you can use this over and over. Optimized for various versions, ensures harmony across Microsoft 365, previous Excel editions, and Google Sheets, making your financial data resonate flawlessly. Conclusion: Basic Business Bookkeeping is your gateway to financial enlightenment, making your business's financial records a masterpiece.